Yeah, I heard that too. Good things. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good, how are you? Good morning, or what's up, boss lady? I'm gonna be a friend. um, I took a little break out over here because I was making a video. maybe I should be a mean boss lady, right? I was making a video about the platform that I'm learning. So while I was making the video, I'm like, I guess I will trail the stop on this trade. I'm getting paid twice for making the video and for trading. So that's why you see the trade on. I never, ever, ever here to show off, but I'll show you guys that also. Saw that breakout, but like after it broke out, I was making some cheese in the Spanish class. And I was like, I've been sitting here this whole time and then look away. And it also, there it is. Yeah, it almost like, you know, it's the recorded video. We obviously can edit it out, but it was just taking a lot longer than I wanted it to. So I will show you on the platform. Let's see. Can you guys see this one? Can you see the arrows? Okay, so I went in right here with 1 micro, and then it shows here, but really like the entry is always above the price, right? I was averaging into a winning position, but it took its sweet time, and I'm like, I don't have time for this. But then it took my third one, and I got out. I wanted to go to 200. He almost did, but I think I got out around 170, 172, and this one was just another trailing one. So yeah, that was the trade. So I was like, well, while I'm making the video, I could be putting some trades too, I guess. Yeah, unfortunately. Huh? Say that again? Why not, right? I mean, I see the trade and I had to wait in the trade a lot longer than I wanted to. Like I thought, yeah, I'll just, quick 5 minutes, but actually it took like 20, 30 minutes. So that being said, I have a lot of editing to do. All right, bigger time frame, bigger point of view. We've been doing that for the ones that haven't seen me. I know maybe Fusca hasn't seen it. G, Deja did. I don't know, has luck if you've seen it. So every morning now we do 2 things. We go over the wick and we go over the, we will go over the volatility, right? So we change volatility to 4 hours, all right, where the wick is at. And then we are going to so instead of chit-chatting, we'll be doing that. So this is just indicator. We're gonna make it quiet for now and we'll see what the wick is at. It is very important. Remember, like that day that was it yesterday? We took the short because the wick was going up, so we did not got fooled into longs too. So that's the wick. It's very important. Like if you're trading, it's very important to check just to know the number of it, right? And we're gonna go over to NASDAQ for 4 hours. Alrighty. Good morning, beautiful people on TikTok. long today. I don't know if we're gonna go long or short. That's what we're gonna do right now. We're doing the analysis right now. And we'll see where we see. All right. Everybody can see it. We have the 4 hours, right? And on TikTok, people, we're leaving this one right here because I'm monitoring the trade. And also, like, once I switch it, the screen is so small, it's really hard to show it for TikTok people. All right, so what do we see in this 4 hours? I know you probably guys see a big mess, but anybody on the winning team want to let me know what do they see once I got it all set up? 1 second, I'm going to remove this one. All right, that's the only thing I'm removing. Okay, there's 2 things you should be able to see, the ones that see 4 hours. I would like you guys to type or unmute your microphones and let me know what do you guys see in 4 hours on NASDAQ. Anybody typing? Anybody talking? Let's see. Can you guys see my cup today? I love this cup too. All right. Anybody's typing?
I don't know if you could see what I was typing, but I was saying that I think we're at a resistance area on the 4 hour. I also see a gap, and then I see an imbalance like above this resistance area.
So what levels you would mark it on your chart today? Like
So
price wise?
price wise, I marked 29,197.50 as a resistance area.
Okay, so 29, what did you say? 29 what?
197.50.
So basically around 200 area, right?
Yeah, around 200.
Around 200, okay. And then what else you see?
And then I see a support around 28,800 area.
Alrighty.
And then I just see an imbalance like above that going up into the 700 area.
28,700, 29,700.
29,700.
29,700. Oh, I see that. You see this. You see this one right now, like the breakout.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we talked about this a little bit yesterday. I'm gonna go over it. So we did Fibonacci on it, like as a visual really quick. So that's good. We also so like after the breakout, right? This is the imbalances that you see, correct? Yeah. So it is subjective, right? It's not, it's an area. It's never exactly. So we see the 270 area, which is the 50, right? And then the 29 area, correct? And then I know you said the 200.
Right.
So 200, it is almost at the green area. You see that? The 200 is 270. And all of this, like, so the 50% needs to be filled, right? So like remove that. So when it breaks out, this is 4 hours. You see it broke out of this one. It broke out right here. So now I do think it wants to test it right here too. This is the longer term, especially for trading the personal accounts. Or if you trade stocks that are close to that. That's another one. Okay. Another thing, anybody sees anything else? I'm going to point the answer to the screen. Anybody seeing this? Bear. Someone sees bear imbalances. Okay, now I see the typing. Okay. Coming back to 884 level. 884 level. 884 level. Okay. Looks like lower highs, not very strong. Consolidation, almost bearish price action. Right, so stalling out. So, okay. Before we push higher. Okay, good morning, winning family. In my Robin Williams voice. Point of control. Yep, we see the point of control. Retrace back to 884 before we push high. Retrace to 884. So I'm going to put a price right here at 884, like 850. Can we agree with that? So let's put the price level for us. 15 minutes left. I see it like
So I actually had a price level at 884 also. I don't know, I don't remember where I got it from, but I think I may have done this earlier. But it also kind of lines up with a dip that I was trying out on the 4 hour from that last leg up.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Why did this appear to me? Did you see that? What did I do? Didn't add one number, so that would do. Okay. All right, so we have the 884. Everybody's happy with that. Any other levels? I'm excited for the bullish move after the earnings. Fingers crossed. Yes, you, me, and a lot of us. I hope Intel is gonna push us up. All right. The cleanest setup is already posted. I explained that's a TikTok reading. Explained today's setup on my profile. My latest analysis is waiting. Thank you. Good morning, Roger. Okay. So that was TikTok, people. All right. Any other level you guys want to put on the time frame, because it's going to be community trading. So 884. We have 884. We're going to keep it here. It's going to stay here. You say EQL. So I know you have a different numbers because you're trading the NAS 100. But any other levels you guys want me to mark up that is important? Twelve minutes till. So that point of control, so it depends on the time frame, right? So right now we are at 4 hours. So the point of control is marked at 29,432. You can mark that too, so that way we get to see it. Okay. All right, we good? Anything else you guys want me to mark? I do think right here, where we at right now, it's also a very important level. The 200 level is very important because, see, you retraced it and it stalls out. It goes back to here, bounces off. Comes back to test it, takes off. Comes back, takes off. Do you see that? Exactly where we at right now, I think is a very, very important level too. Okay, and no one else is talking. We're good. So we have point of control, and then we have 884 what Ima and Fusca was talking about. or send me his analysis. Let's check it R, but it's harder because it is the, let me see 1 second. Yeah, it's NAS 100, so it's a little bit harder to narrow down the.
I can change my platform.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, if you guys wanted me to let me know. So as far as that's all we see. So I do see obviously this level for the bears right over here, right? So that'd be 600 level. So let's do that one really quick. That's obviously for the bigger point of view, but and we're gonna change this to red because that's what the bear territory is at, right? If you break that, then we're in big trouble. Shilling props in 2026 is diabolical. Is that a positive comment? Oh no. All right. Anything else, anybody? What chart do you use? This M and Q, and then you get to just press features. So when you go over here to look for one, you have to press features. So right here, look, I'm gonna put it back on. So I go M and Q, and you just press features. All right. So I think we're good with the bigger point. Okay, let's put Jess indicator. She said it's all ready. I just need to figure it out a way to share it with you guys so you guys can claim it. All right. So then when it comes so we have the bigger point of view, and obviously we have this one too, which I think this is the one that I think it needs to retest it right over here where the white line is. So I'm going to put it there. I think that's why with the earning seasons, we might test this one out right over here. I know it's a big one, but again, we're doing the bigger point of view. See how it broke out of that triangle? I do think it wants to test it there. All right, so we're gonna go back to our smaller time frame and we're gonna put in our indicators, our levels. Yeah, I saw your Fusca posted that a little bit earlier too, right? Okay. See, even today's open is at 783, which is the 800 level that we talked about it. Okay. You have the point of control. Is it going to pump now? A person on TikTok asking that. I don't know. We shall see. Only time will tell. We have 7 minutes to go. So Hasluck thinks we in the bear, right? We're gonna short. Yesterday's comment was funny, short. I was like, did I spell short wrong? You made me question myself. And Fusca, if you can, if you want me to put those levels, can you type the numbers? It's hard for me to open up and see the levels on the screen. I think I see it, the 29, 150. Yeah, point of control is bearish on 15 minutes. So it depends. It's always about the time frame, right? It depends what time frame we're in. Yesterday was a good question on TikTok. I'm like, I look bearish at this time frame, and I look I look bullish on this time frame. Well, the answer is yes. Depends what you're trading, depending on your goal. I got a really cool email from a friend of mine, and I will share with you guys some things. I'm going to do an analysis more for like a longer term. If you guys interested, I'm going to try. There's three suggestions there with the dividend stocks, and that information, yeah, always interested. That information costs him, I don't know how much, but some money to have it, and he shared with me, so I will share with you guys. It'll probably be a long-term channel. I just still want to narrow it down because 3 might be too much for you guys, but I might post all 3. I still have to say it's not financial advice only. It's not financial advice yet. But I was really grateful for the thing that he sent me over. So today, if not the worst case scenario, tomorrow I have time. I'm sure Melissa and G is typing on my tapping on my TikTok. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Let's see. So if this trade gonna continue going, I'm gonna close it off, and then that way, like I always tell you guys, so it's fair for you that I take a trade with you versus take that trade into the open and then say like, look at me, I know what I'm doing. There's the 200. Remember one of my trade, I was looking for the 200, and that's the 200 that is here. All right, we're gonna move this up. We only have 4 minutes till the open. It went way beyond my 200. Well, no, I'm sorry. It went right to my 200 that I wanted to see, so I should be happy right now. Either way, it's fine for me. All right, we have 4 minutes. Alfredo Gomez followed me. ED55 followed me. Thank you so much. Any questions? I did explain why I was looking for the 200. And we doing a chef kiss at 200 right over here. Let's see what happens. Let me spread it out the candles. It's one of those things like I want him to take me out so I could trade with you guys. I really don't like when people like come in and it's like, look at me, I already have a trade on. I really don't like that. I'm gonna really try to be fair. Okay. Alright, I cannot be happy with that, right? I mean, come on. It's 1 micro. Surprise you support rock pulling alpha happy trades. I'm not like, they've been really good to me and my team. And they just had a little rough patch in the beginning, so that's okay. Not in the beginning, but in the company right now. They trying to make it right, and so as long as they're good to me and my team, and we're good. Yes, I know they show us all the receipts and all that, and it was enough for me to believe them. So they've been very, very kind to me because I'm a small creator and not a lot of companies would support me. So they've been kind to me before all of this happened, and now why should I not be kind to them when they are in a little bit trouble? How is the wick today? Yeah, we went over the wick. It was on the left side. All right, 1 minute. And Fusca, she's asking about your wick. You want to post your charts on the wick? Yeah. Well, they were not kind to 10,000 traders. That's why. Yeah, peace out, Samuel. I think they're paying everybody out, so either way, it's fine. But you don't have to pay them, like, you know. There we go. There's your open. Yep. So let's see if they will take me out. Nope. This is the first one that they ever let me take it to the open, you guys. You guys know that never happened before. Never, ever, ever happens. I should be out by now. I should be out by now. Hi. Yeah, I'm out, right? There you go. All right, so now let the real trading begin. All right, so I did see the 200. It blew that 200, 246 to be exact. Okay, now we're gonna retrace back to this 154. Definitely see. And now we wait. Now we wait. So we'll see if there's a lot of imbalances because it went up a lot during the night, and now that's why we're seeing people taking profits. No bias off right now. I don't know if we're gonna go keep drilling down and down and down, or let's see what happens. 165. Tesla is doing good today. Surprisingly, right? Because they have earnings. Tesla is doing good today. Ooh, we have to fill these imbalances. We really do. We really have to go down to like the 29 100. So no surprise here. You guys want to see Tesla? So remember Tesla reporting today, right? So look at that. Not today, I'm sorry, this week. Look at that, Tesla. Bam. So anybody that's in short in Tesla. So right here, I want to see anybody that's Tesla, anybody that's options in here or no? I know Dan is going to tell us how he trades his earnings for us. Which I'm kind of excited because there's a technique to trade earnings. All right, so this is decision time. I do see to the this area for sure. I'm not going long, I'm not going short because I think we have the magnet right here. Yeah. Oh, looks like I achieved my life goal. Melissa gave me the rose. We have a lot of gaps to fill down there, you guys. I see a bounce, but it didn't go to 125 level yet. Okay. And when it comes to wicks, it's also have gaps to fill. So we'll see. I wanted to go long here. It's bouncing, but I didn't go long because I didn't see them test it out this one first. Tested out the 100 level. All right, that's the first minutes. Wall Street opens higher on semiconductors boost, so that's what it is. We saw the push for the semiconductors. See, I missed my trade, and that's okay. You guys know I'm okay to miss my trade. Anybody took this long? Go back to my 200. What's that indicator, please? It should be all pinned to the picture that you see on my profile. All that information is there for you because that's the most asked question I get. Yeah. If you can't find me, if you can't find, everything should be pinned for you right there. See, I don't know if it's gonna go down, but so back at the 200, the 200s that I saw the pre-market. But I did miss this trade. I did miss my reversal. But if you look at 5 minutes, we went up, we smashed down, we went up, and I think we need to clear it out, this one first, in order for it to go long. So no trade for me yet. We kissing the 200 right now. Podcasts, Lux, follow me. Thank you so much. Melissa said no. Any trades for anybody?